Hi everyone, hope you're doing well. So today's video is a continued section of the common phrasal verb series, and today's verb is stand. So we are going to discuss the common phrasal verbs that are utilized with the verb stand. Alright, let's proceed towards the PPT, and the first one is stand for. Stand for means to represent something, okay? और to be a symbol for or sign of something. किसी चीज का sign होना, symbol होना या किसी चीज को represent करना. Examples are lol. Lol stands for what? इसका मतलब क्या? It represents what? Laugh out loud. Laugh out loud. YOLO stands for you only live once. You only live once. So YOLO क्या represent करता है? You only live once. The color red stands for love and fashion. जो red color है वो प्यार को दर्शाता है. So stands for, that means it represents. Stand up. It is similar to get up, right? Or to rise from bed or chair and be on your feet. अपने पैरों पे खड़ा होना, है ना? That is what is stand up. And the example is stop sitting there. Stand up and walk with me. Stop sitting there. मत बैठो. Stop sitting there. Stand up. खड़े हो and walk with me. मेरे साथ चलो. Stand up when I call your name. खड़े हो जाना when I call your name. जब मैं तुम्हारा नाम पुकारूं तो. Alright. Next is stand out. Stand out means to to be different from the crowd. To look different. कई लोग होते हैं ना अलग से दिख जाते हैं crowd के बीच में. कई लोग बहुत सुंदर होते हैं तो अलग से दिखते हैं crowd के बीच में. तो उनके लिए कहते हैं you stand out from the crowd. So this is the meaning of the saying, that you look different from the crowd or you appear more special than other people. Examples are his red hair makes him stand out from the crowd. उसके जो लाल बाल है ना वो उसको crowd से अलग दिखाते हैं. Okay, they make him look different. Don't try to stand out in a bad way. Right? अलग से bad manner में मत दिखो. Don't try to stand out. अलग से मत special मत दिखो. Especially किस manner में? Bad manner में. She always stands out because she is so pretty. वो हमेशा अलग से दिखती है because वो इतनी सुंदर है. Right? Next is stand back. Stand back means to move backward. Right? If I'm standing here, I'm moving backward. That is to stand back. Stand back from the fight if you don't want to get hurt. है ना? Stand back. Move back from the fight. लड़ो मत अगर तुम्हें hurt नहीं होना है तो. If you don't want yourself to get hurt. Please stand back. I will show it on the screen. पीछे हो जाओ मैं screen पे दिखाती हूँ. Okay? So please stand back. Stand back from that man. He is dangerous. Stand back. उससे दूर हो. उस बंदे से दूर हो क्यों? He is a dangerous man. He is very dangerous. Alright? वो बहुत dangerous. Stand up for. Stand up for means to defend someone or something that is being criticized. So, अगर मैं इसका एग्जाम्पल लेती हूँ जैसे don't just be quiet. Stand up for your rights. चुप मत रहो. अपने rights के लिए खड़े हो. Okay? So that's how you use stand up for. Stand up for yourself. अपने लिए खड़े हो. Now or never. ये तो आज नहीं तो कभी. Okay? No one stood up for her except her old boss. कोई उसके लिए खड़ा नहीं हुआ except किसके अलावा? उसके old boss के अलावा. Stand over. That means to stand near someone and watch them. तो उसका एग्जाम्पल क्या आता है? I don't like him standing over me all the time. हर बार वो मेरे साथ आके खड़ा हो जाता है ना. I don't like him standing over me. Okay? My boss always stands over me while I'm working. जब भी मैं काम कर रही होती हूँ ना मेरा बॉस आके खड़ा हो जाता है. कहते हैं ना सर पे खड़ा हो जाता है. तो उसके केस में क्या होता है ना, जब किसी इंसान के लिए आप बोल रहे हैं यार ये मेरे सर पे आके खड़ा हो जाता है या मेरे बॉस मेरे सर पे आके खड़े हो जाते हैं, क्या बोल रहे हैं? He always stands over me while I'm working. Yeah. The student always stands over me when I'm checking. Okay, there are certain students like that. So you can utilize that. Now, please stand over the window and let me know if any guests are coming. Please stand over the window. मतलब stand near the window and let me know if guests are in. Okay. चलिए, stand in, that means to do the job that someone does or to replace someone, है ना, किसी की जॉब करना कोई और करता है, उसको रिप्लेस कर रहे हो. Don't worry, I will stand in for you, enjoy your trip. Don't worry, चिंता मत करो, मैं तुम्हें रिप्लेस कर दूंगा, मैं तुम्हारा काम कर लूंगा. Enjoy your trip, तुम अपना ट्रिप एंजॉय करो. Can you please ask Tina to stand in for me while I, क्या तुम टीना को कह सकते हो to replace me? ओके, यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है, to replace me while I am away, जब मैं बाहर हूँ तो क्या वो मेरे लिए काम कर सकती है. That means she is basically replacing me for my work, right? And then stand against to oppose someone or something. They have been standing against the government for years. वो इतने सालों से गवर्नमेंट के अगेंस्ट खड़े हैं, राइट? You may lose your job if you stand against. तुम अपनी जॉब लूज कर दोगे अगर तुम उसके अगेंस्ट खड़े होगे, अगर तुम उसको अपोज करोगे. He dared, तो उसने हिम्मत करी to stand against his opponent in the meeting. So उसने अपने opponent के against खड़े होने की हिम्मत करी. So that was all about this video, and you can definitely post your comments in case you have any queries. Thank you.